Okay guys, so I'm still out. I'm still at the same place, but we came to the lower mall. So we're 3 floors down. So first we were up by the rooftop, so now we're at -3. So 3 floors down. So it's like, it's quite nice in here. So it's like a shopping center in here really. My phone is making noise. Not my phone, my glasses. So yeah, as you guys can see, a lot of painting on the walls. So this is where we're at. So you got subway here. M&S. I'm not sure what's down there. Lifts and stuff. Yeah. So we're gonna go up on the up to the second floor. Well, -2. So let's go. So up here you got it says cinema. -2. So this is like bike rides, bad boys, ride or die. So this is a cinema. There's not much for this -2 floor. Not much stuff to see on the -2 floor. I'm gonna go back up. Just look through this window for a second. It's locked. Yeah, I was gonna go outside, but the door is locked, so you can't exit from here. There's a bit of a waterfront area. So the building, I don't know, maybe houses or something. High-rising buildings. Okay. Anyway. Okay, where should we go next? Oh, so this takes us back on the outside, isn't it? So we're going into the Quayside Walk. Canada Place. Jubilee line. Sorry. So this is what it's like here on the outside, Quayside Walk. Ooh, that's all green and green and so this is what it's like on the outside, guys. Why is that water so nasty? It's nasty. I reckon that's deep. What do you think? That one over there. Hey?
Yeah, looks like it.
Looks like it's deep, innit? So this is what it is. The Wayside Walk. What's this here now? Oh, London joint city and Midland Bank who gave their lives. Oh. So thank you to all the servicemen who gave their life for us. Okay, I don't think there's anything on this end to see really. Okay, not hungry enough yet. Okay. Alright, let me exit this place now. That's where we were. We were on the roof up there, guys. You can see that's where we were.
Dentro yo ahora para cine. I need to be there by.
I'm literally outside.
You never know.
Oh, the dog? Are you showing me the dog? Yeah. Ooh, it's warm. So this leads you back into the train station. This one here, Canary Wharf. So, that's the DLR, guys. The one up there, Lisa running. It's not a train, it's not a tube, it's a DLR. This water has just nested there. People paddling in it down there.
There's a lift behind.
Market Hall. I can feel the breeze now. that's where I'm coming from, in that building. I come to something nice and cool. Huh? Oh, it's where you have lunch. I just realized, you know, it's like a lunch. You can have lunch on the water over there. But the water is just nasty. I don't think I would eat on there. But the water is nasty. Look how dirty the water is. No, I wouldn't eat on that thing. Fisherman's Walk. So this walk now is called the Fisherman's Walk. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end this video right here. I'm going to try and enjoy the rest of the day with my son now. So this is it. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment if you like what I'm showing you. This is a big duck right in front of me, a big yellow duck. I'm at the back of the duck, but yeah, that's the DLR over there. But guys, yeah, so thank you for joining me guys. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now. Thank you.